Selling on eBay can be a profitable venture if approached with strategy and dedication. Here's a step-by-step guide to making money selling on eBay. Set up an eBay and PayPal account. Register on eBay and set up a seller account. You'll also need a PayPal account for most transactions, as it's the most common payment method on eBay. Research items for profitability. Before listing an item, search for similar items on eBay to understand its market value. Check completed listings to see what items have recently sold for. Source inventory. Retail arbitrage. Buy discounted items from retail stores and sell them for a profit. Thrift stores and garage sales. Search for undervalued items to flip. Bulk purchases. Buy items in bulk, e.g., wholesale, and sell individually. Dropshipping. List products from suppliers, and only purchase them when you receive an order. Note: ensure the supplier is reliable and eBay's policy on dropshipping is adhered to. Sell personal unused items. Declutter your home and start with items you no longer need. Create detailed listings. Photos. Use high-quality photos, preferably taken in natural light. Show different angles and any defects. Title. Use relevant keywords to describe the item. This helps in search visibility. Description. Be detailed and honest. Mention the item's condition, specifications, and any defects. Pricing. Use the auction format for rare items or if unsure about pricing. For others, use the Buy It Now option with competitive pricing. Shipping. Offer reasonable shipping costs. Consider free shipping, but incorporate the cost into your price. Optimize for eBay's search engine, Cassini. Use relevant keywords. Offer competitive pricing. Provide excellent customer service to achieve high seller ratings. Maintain good seller practices. Ship items promptly. Use professional packaging. Provide clear return policies. Address customer concerns quickly and professionally. Build feedback and reputation. Encourage buyers to leave positive feedback. Start by selling smaller items to build your seller reputation. Manage finances. Keep track of your expenses, such as shipping, eBay fees, and cost of goods sold. Reinvest profits to grow inventory. Use eBay's Selling Manager Pro or third-party tools for inventory management and sales tracking. As you grow, consider opening an eBay store. Diversify the categories of items you sell to spread risk.